As you probably know, tension headaches are intense. They're distracting and they can leave you feeling so exhausted. They're very common, but that does not make them any easier to deal with. If headaches are getting in the way of your life enjoyment, then I'm glad you're here. Tight muscles in the neck and the head are a big factor with tension headaches, and there are some specific essential oils that can reduce that tightness. Hi, I'm Andrea Bouget, founder of Aromahead Institute, and I have the recipe for you for headaches. It's called How to Help Headache Pain, and it's done in a base of what we call trauma oil. That is a carrier oil that's made with 3 flowers. It's made with arnica flowers, calendula flowers, and St. John's wort flowers, and it's great for pain. You're gonna love this. And I'm gonna put the carrier in this 1 ounce blue glass bottle. I love this blue glass. And then I'm gonna use 3 very effective pain relieving essential oils. So let me show you. Let's just go ahead and put our trauma oil right into the 1 ounce bottle. And then we're gonna make our blend. And the nice thing about this blend is that if you make it ahead of time and you keep it around for a few months, anytime you feel a tension headache coming on, you can use it. I like to put it on the back of my neck. That's a really good place. I don't like to get essential oils too close to my eyes, but the back of the neck is perfect, especially if it's from muscle tension, okay? So we have frankincense, and that's our first most wonderful headache oil. I actually think of all the essential oils I've ever used for headaches, I know there's a lot of popular ones, frankincense is my all-time favorite because I think it's so effective. So we're gonna put 4 drops of frankincense in, and it smells so good. It's like, it's grounding, it's resinous, it's earthy, and I just love that smell. So there's 1 drop, and it's coming to, sometimes they come out a little slow. Let's just tap the top. 3, 4, great, we got 4 drops. Now the next is rosemary. And rosemary is great for creating circulation, reducing inflammation, reducing pain. This is rosemary chemotype camphor, okay? Just to be very specific. So you get the right oil. Wow, it just opens everything up too. So if it happens that your headache is from sinus congestion or infection, rosemary. All right, 6 drops of rosemary. There you go. And then we've got our most beautiful eucalyptus. It's a perfect oil for headaches. A lot of people know it for sinuses and congestion, but did you know it's also amazing for pain? So we're gonna add 3 drops into the blend. 1, 2, 3, there we go. All right. That's our blend. Just give it a quick shake, apply it to the back of your neck, and come back and let me know how you like it, if it helped you with your headaches, okay? And also, if you enjoy learning how to make blends, then you should subscribe to this channel because I teach all kinds of blending, and every 2 weeks I put out a new video. So go ahead and hit the red subscribe button, and I'll alert you every time I have a new blending video. All right, take care. Hope to see you soon. Bye for now.